students. Today I am going to tell you how can you solve numericals of stress related numericals. So in this video I will tell you how can you solve these types of numericals. So first of all I should have to write down the numerical or question over here. So this is question number 1. So this one is question number 1. So the question is what? Determine the value of P such that DAVA C is not greater than 0.1 inches and stresses in vertical rod is less than equals to 30,000 psi. So you can see there is a condition in the question. So what is the question? Determine the value of P such that DAVA C not greater than 0.1 inches. So it does not exceed 0.1 inches. And stresses in vertical rod is less than equals to 30,000 psi. And you can also say that 30 ksi. So what we have to do here, there is a question as well. It means that there is a diagram. So how can I show you here? This is the diagram. And this one is like this. Then there is P. This is 2 feet 3 inches. It is also given. This one is B. This is A. And L equals to 4 feet. A equals to 0.5 inches square. And then E equals to 29 into 10 is to power 6 psi. If it is not given in the question, so you can search it out or Google it, or you can also find it out from the book as well. So what is the question all about? Determine the value of P. You have to find the value of P, this P, such that DAVA C not greater than, or you can also say this is deformation. Deformation must not exceed 0.1 inches and stresses in vertical rod is less than equals to 30,000 psi. What does it mean by that? Means stress should not exceed 30 psi. So what we have, it can be 30 psi, it can less than be 30 psi, but it does not exceed 30 psi. Length of the bar is given to you 4 feet. A is equals to 0, area is equals to 0.5 inches square. E is equals to 29 into 10 to the power 6 psi. Psi means pounds per square inch. This is 2 feet, this is 3 feet. This is A, B, C, P. C, you can write it down C here. So let me write it down. This one is C. A, B point, C point. So what we have to do, let's start with the solution. So what we have to do over here. So here is the solution number 1. So this is solution number 1. So what we have to do here in that case, so I can write it down. Stress of steel is equals to T over A, or you can also write down P over A. So but I am taking T over here is because it is already P is given in the question. So what I am going to write it down, I can take stress 30,000 psi. 30,000 psi. I assume it because it is not greater than 30 psi, but it can be equals to 30 psi, 30 ksi you can say, and it can be less than. So I am taking this value 30. And T upon 0.5 inches 5 inches square, that is also given in the question. I have already told you. So what we have to do, we have to find out this value of T from here. So what is the value of T coming out to be at 30,000 multiplied by 0.5. So it will be reduced to half. So it is 15,000 pounds. Or you can also write it down, or T equals to 15 kilopounds. So this is the way to find out the T. Now the next thing what we have to do is that we have the formula of the deformation, that is DAVA B equals to TL over AE. So in this situation, what we have to do, we already get the value of T here. So DAVA B is equals to 15,000 pounds multiplied by length is given in the question, that is 4 feet. So I should have to multiply with the 12 to convert it into inches. And then area is 0.5 inches square. 0.5 inches square. Or you can say modulus of elasticity, that was also given in the question, 29 into 10 to the power 6. So what will be the answer? Let me see that. 15,000 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 12 divided by 0.5 into 29 exponent 6. So it is coming out to be 0.049. So DAVA B is coming out to be 0.0496 inches. So whether it is less than the given value or not. So it is DAVA C should not greater than 0.1 inches. So look here. What is the condition given to us? DAVA C not greater to 0.1 inches. So we have to find out DAVA C right now. How can we find out DAVA C? So let me tell you how can you do that. So you have to make the triangle over here. You have to make the triangle of this one. So let me draw the right triangle. This is the triangle. When deformation occurs, so what will happen? Deformation occurs from here, A, B, and this is C. This should be 2 feet and this should be 3 feet. This should be DAVA C and this should be DAVA B. So DAVA B value, we know that we have already find it out, 0.0496 inches, and we have to find out DAVA C. So how can we find out DAVA C? So by using similar triangles, I have already discussed in my previous lectures how can we find out similar triangle. So by similar triangles, what we have to do? By similar triangles, first I will consider this triangle. So when I consider this triangle, I have to find out DAVA C first. So first of all, I have to take the bigger triangle. If this is the triangle, so I will take this perpendicular and this base. So DAVA C upon 5 feet, and here will be DAVA B. This is the smaller triangle, so this will be DAVA B upon 2 feet. So what will happen? I will put the value of DAVA B over here. So upon 5 is equals to, I will put the value of DAVA B, 0.0496 divided by 2. So DAVA C is equals to 0.0496 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. So let me see what is the value of DAVA C coming out to be. 0.0496 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. 0.124. 0.124 inches. So what we have to do? DAVA C is equals to 0.124 inches. This is the value we get it. So what we have to do? You can see in this question, DAVA C should not be greater than 0.1 inches, but it is greater than 0.1 inches. It is coming out to be 0.124 inches. So what we have to do in the next step? So this assumption is wrong. So it is not okay. So what I have to do, it is greater than 0.1 inches. So it is not okay. Or you can also write down the condition is not satisfied. The condition is not satisfied. Not satisfied. Now the next thing what we have to do, we have to use the formula. By taking it, it means that what we assume that is wrong. So what we have assumed? Assume DAVA C is equals to 0.1 inches. Now, so if DAVA C is 0.1 inches, so triangle will be like this. This is the triangle. This will be the deformation DAVA B. Now we have to find out DAVA B. So we will go reverse from here. So this is 2 feet and this is 3 feet. So by using similar triangle, by using similar triangles method, so what we have to do, DAVA B upon 2 feet, DAVA C upon 5 feet. This is a smaller triangle, so DAVA B upon 2, DAVA C upon 5 feet. Now, I have to put the value of DAVA C 0.1 inches. So, DAVA B upon 2 is equals to 0.1 inches upon 5. So, DAVA B comes out to be what? 0.1 into 2, 0.1 into 2 divided by 5. So it is coming out to be 0.04 inches. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find out stress. So how can we do that? DAVA B is equals to P over A into L over E. This is the formula. We can write PL over AE, and P upon A is equals to sigma of steel into L over E. So what we have to do, we have to find out sigma ST. So sigma ST comes out over here, and DAVA B into E upon L, we can write it down. So if we will do this thing, so stress ST is equals to, we will put the value of DAVA B multiply by E, 29 into 10 to the power 6 divided by the total length of the length is given in the question is 4 feet. 4 feet. So we have to multiply 4 feet into 12 to convert it into inches. So stress comes out to be what? 0.04 into 29 exponent 6 divided by 4 into 12. So this is 24166, 24166.67 pounds per square inch. So it is PSI. So you can also write it down is equals to 24.166 KSI. So this condition is satisfied. Why is it so? What was the condition given in the question? That stresses in vertical rod should not exceed 30,000 psi. So it is less than 30 psi. You can 30 ksi you can say. So it is less than 30 ksi. So the condition is satisfied. So this is the way to solve these type of numericals. In this situation, what we have done, let me tell you one thing. In this question, first I have taken, there were two conditions given in the questions. One is that deformation at C does not exceed 0.1 inches and stresses in vertical rod should not exceed 30,000 psi. So I have taken first assumption that the value of stress T is 30 psi. 30,000 psi or 30 ksi. So when I put this like this, but the second condition does not satisfy, that sigma c exceeds to 0.1 inches. So let me show you where is it so. So it is exceeded. So when it exceeds, so what I have done, the condition is not satisfied. So I have taken another condition, that sigma c, dava c is equals to 0.1 inches. I assume it. So in the second case, what I have done, I have to find out dava b first. Then what I have done, I have find out dava b first. Then I have to find out stress in steel, stress of steel, you can say. So it is coming out to be 30 ksi. So the condition is satisfied, both the conditions are satisfied, that dava c is not greater than 0.1 inches and stresses in vertical rod is not greater than 30 psi, 30,000 ksi, you can say. So the answers will be, so result will be what? Dava c and stress st. So stress st coming out to be 24.166 ksi and dava c is coming out to be what? Dava c, let me show you. Dava c is coming out to be what? Let me show you. Is that is dava c is satisfied because we have taken it 0.1 inches. We have assumed dava c equals to 0.1 inches and we will get the value of stress in steel is 24.166. So the first step will be what? If in this case you have assumed first that dava c is equals to 0.1 inches, so your condition is satisfied in the first case. But you don't know in which condition that it will be satisfied, so you have to assume it in the start. So how can I do that? Let me show you in this numerical. Let me arrange it. How can we solve it? So this is question number 1. Its solution starts from here, you can see, and then this is its second step, second page. Then after that, what we have done, this is not done. This one is the next page. You can see here. And after that, what we have done, we have to find out dava b from assuming that dava c equals to 0.1 inches. Then after this, we got our value and the condition is satisfied. Okay, then what we have to do next in the question, we don't need to find out dava c or sigma st. Actually, what we have to find out, first we have to satisfy the condition, and then what we have to do, we have to find out the value of p, determine the value of p such that dava c is not greater than or equals to 0.1 inches, or you can say dava c is not greater than to 0.1 inches and stresses in vertical rod should not exceed 30,000 psi. So we have to find out the value of p. So the condition is satisfied now. So this is the result. It is satisfied. Now what the value we have to find out? We have to find out the value of p. And so how can we do that? So let me tell you. Now you got the value of stress. So what we have to do, we are going to start working on the for p, for magnitude of p. For magnitude of p. So what is the working we have to do? You know that stress st is equals to t upon a. So the value of stress st is 24,166.67 is equals to t is unknown. We have to find out this t first. And the area was given in the question is 0.5 inches square. So the value of t comes out to be, after multiplying with it, so the value of p is 24,166.67 multiplied by 0.5. So the answer will be 12,083.335 pounds, or it can be t is equals to 12.083 kips. Now we have to find out the value of P. So how can we do that? This is the last step which we are going to do it. So let me take my another paper. So for the value of P, what we have to do, the diagram is given in the question, and the diagram was this, and this is the scenario. So the T is this one, 12.083 kips, and this one is P. We have to find it out. And this is 2 feet and this one is 3 feet. Now we have to sum up the moment. This is A point, B point, and this is C point, and we are going to sum up moment at point A. So when we are going to sum up the moment at point A, so what we have to do, this is sigma plus. So this one is, should be what? When I rotate, this is, for this direction is positive, so when I rotate it like this, so this one will be positive. So T should be multiplied by, this is 2 feet, and this one, this direction should be negative, and this length is 5p. So it is equals to 0. So the value of T is 12.083 multiplied by 2 is equals to 5p. So P is equals to 12.083 into 2 divided by 5. Therefore, P is equals to 12.083 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. So it will be 4.8332. So 4.833 kips. So the value or you can say magnitude of P is coming out to be 4.883. So in this question, what we have done in this first step, we have to satisfy the conditions. What are the conditions given in the question? And then we have to, when the condition is satisfied, and there were two conditions in this question, DAVA C, it should not exceed 0.1 inches, and stress of steel should not exceed 30 ksi. So when this condition is satisfied, so you have to find out the magnitude of P. So previously I already told you all the steps for the condition, and then I am separately telling you how can you find out the value of P in this situation. So hopefully you will understand the question and it will be clear to all of you. And it can be lengthy, this question can be lengthy, and this question can be reduced. So how? For example, if you are taking the first condition and you are taking stress T first, assuming that it is 30 ksi and your condition is satisfied, so your question is solved. And after getting your condition is satisfied, so you have to find out the value of P. Or if in the first attempt your condition is not satisfied, so you have to assume another value to be like that. When you have taken another value and your condition is satisfied, then you have to find out the value of P. So this question can be short and this question can be lengthy. So it depends upon the type of the question and whatever the condition you are taking first, so whether it is proved or not, so it is dependent upon this. So thank you so much. So hopefully you will understand this question and it will be clear to all of you.